everyone, welcome to my studio. Today I am very excited to share with you my fall and winter wardrobe that I made from scratch. I'm gonna share with you the ones that I wear the most, the ones that don't get much wear, but without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we have my crowning achievement, my wool winter coat. It is just absolutely beautiful, if I do say so myself. I don't wear this a ton in the winter just because it's quite fancy, but I think this winter I'm gonna start wearing it more just on regular events, you know, because why not? This is a very special make of mine, probably one of the most special makes I've ever made. It just has great details and I put a lot of time into it. You can watch the comprehensive video where I make this from pattern to this final garment. I even did some pad stitching, putting some horsehair in there instead of just fusible interfacing, so that was pretty cool. So definitely check that out. Continuing on with the theme of coats, I will show you the first Betsy utility that I ever made. I wear this all the time. Like, as soon as the weather turns cold, I am throwing this over everything. It's super casual, it's really warm, it's in this Sherpa fabric, and yeah, I get a lot of wear out of it. I really like it. This is one of my best-selling fall winter patterns, so definitely check it out. I made this in one of my sewing marathon videos. It's a hack of the Betsy utility. I changed the hem, kind of making it more like a shacket. I removed the bottom pockets. I get quite a bit of wear out of this. It's a little bit lighter than my original Betsy utility in the Sherpa fabric, but it's nice to throw on over like a turtleneck and some jeans and yeah, no. Next garment, this is like one of my all-time favorites. I get a lot of wear out of this in the summer, but also in the winter. This is a jumpsuit that I made from scratch. This is really special to me because I did some really cool stuff with the inside. I did some contrast. I actually learned a new skill with Skillshare, who is the sponsor of this video. I learned how to use the freehand embroidery foot on my machine and I applied it to the inside of this garment, so I really like this garment. So if you guys want to learn more skills with sewing, Skillshare is a great option. If you don't know about Skillshare, they're an online learning platform with literally thousands of ad-free classes that you can take. As I mentioned, I took this free hand embroidery class, which has been my favorite so far. It's taught by Jordan Gomez and it's called How to Draw with a Sewing Machine. It was such a fun and to the point class that taught me so easily, something that I've been wanting to try for so long. I love the sketch-like look that it creates, and I think that it looks great on this denim jacquard project that I'm working on. So why don't you try Skillshare? The first 1,000 people to use the link below will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare, which is pretty awesome. You got nothing to lose, and I guarantee that it will enrich your creativity. Okay, you guys have to hear me out on this one because this isn't really a fall pattern. This is my billow frock, but throw a turtleneck under this. Turtlenecks are the answer to everything. Wear some chunky boots with it and you've got a gorgeous fall pattern. So definitely think about this. And honorable mention, I did do a hack of the billow frock where I made it long sleeve, high neck. I mean, it looked great in photos, as you can see here, but actually wearing it, I just didn't feel really comfortable, so I ended up passing it on. And I kind of regret it because I wanted to maybe get one wear out of it or something, but what can you do? Okay, this is sort of an obscure project that I made. You can watch the tutorial where I make this. It's like a sweater vest, you know the sweater vest trend? So I wanted to make like a sweater vest dress. There is so much potential with this, but I just haven't worn it. But I don't know, you guys let me know if you want this in a pattern. It's super simple, it's really cute. Okay, and I just released this pattern. It's the lark frock. This is my long sleeve version, and I do have instructions in the pattern on how to make the sleeve long sleeve. This is the bishop sleeve long sleeve, and it just has this cute keyhole and then another type of keyhole at the back, and it has a zipper. And I kept it short because I can wear it with like little booties or wear some tights under it. I haven't worn this one out yet, but I do plan to because it's really cute and I don't know, I just like it. Okay, you guys haven't really seen this except if you follow me on Instagram and watch my stories, because this was a pattern, I forget what I called it. I was working on this for like a wintry, like holiday dress. I really wanted to make it in velvet, but I don't know what it was. It just didn't fit the way that I really wanted it to. I don't know, I might have to make this work. Okay, and then next I have my funnel neck dresses. Super easy, super quick. This is formerly called the January dress. Now I have named it the mitten frock because it's just this kind of like cozy dress that you throw on. It's super quick to make. You could make one of these in an hour. I have worn this out once last year. I don't think I've worn this one out. I was planning on dyeing this. I think the white is just too stark for me. But other than that, I really like how I made this one. I even lined it. And it's like kind of fluffy and has a cool texture. Yeah, super cozy dress. Check out this paint. These are my mainstays for the fall and winter season. My chillax sweatsuit. Okay, so these are the pants, and then these are the sweaters. They're the exact same. I like this one a little better because the fabric is so much thicker and cozier. I wear these every day. Like, this one's my favorite. As soon as it comes out of the wash, I throw this on, especially in the colder months. It's super cozy, super warm. And this is also one of my best-selling fall patterns, so definitely check it out. It's a pretty quick, easy sew. Very comprehensive tutorials. I have photo instructions now as well, so you can follow along with the video. So yeah. Okay, these are two of my Meadow overalls that I feel, okay, and I'm also wearing my Meadow overalls. This is the tie front version. This one is personally my favorite to wear because the fabric is just really soft and stretchy, and so it's a really nice lounge wear. I wore these a lot throughout the summer, and I'm going to get more wear out of it in the winter because it's just that versatile piece. This one is my favorite because it has the pockets on it and it's white. I really like the color. It goes with everything. And then this is my newer one. I made it without pockets and I made it full length, more for winter. And yeah. Okay, and lastly, you guys really liked this pant when I sewed it in one of my sewing marathons, my first sewing marathon. So I called it the diner pant because it's like business in the front and comfort in the back. So it's stretchy, it's high-waisted, it's a wide leg pant. So I've worn this out a couple of times. It's actually really comfortable. I am planning to release this pattern very soon. So keep your eyes peeled for this one. Because I think it's gonna be a really great fall, winter, and even summer pattern. We're gonna have the shorts length in this pattern. So this is gonna be a great versatile pattern that you guys can wear. Well, that pretty much sums up all of my fall and winter wear. Definitely check out the patterns related to this. And subscribe if you want to see more patterns. Subscribe to my newsletter, you'll get my free patterns, and you'll also find out and get promotions for my newest patterns, which I am hoping to work on. I would love to get this out as a pattern because I really like it as a coat. I like the shape. There are a few tweaks that I've made to the pattern, but it's just a lot of work. So I don't know, give me encouragement in the comments if you guys really want this pattern. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye!